Okay, I'm back. I need to get rid of all these gravestones. I think I'm gonna go to the jungle, build a house there, and then get the materials I need for the jungle whip. I already forgot what it's called. This whip is so bad. I need to replace it. Also figured out all the controls, hopefully. Also been thinking about where I should build a house. Still don't know yet. Yep. Okay, yeah, that is way better. Actually, should finish this. Can't believe I left that open for so long for the door. Let's go. Oh no, I can't. More shack. That's menacing. No, I'll put the menacing shackle on. Oh, wrong button. Oh, wrong button. I almost just deleted it. Wait, what was in? Where did I get all this tungsten from? But I can't craft anything with it. I literally think I'm one off. Hope you guys enjoyed the editing last video. First time I tried something like that. I still think I have lots of room to improve, but I'm still gonna try my best. Hopefully soon too, I can get a better microphone. I can probably find some cheap one for like 100. At least my mic doesn't sound like this still. All these random... Oh yeah, the nurse... When did the nurse die? So am I gonna need any of these blocks? Definitely the wood. Maybe I'll take this for platforms. You definitely need my bed though. Oh great. Just clean up my inventory now. I'm just picking up all of the fucking graves. Hope that I'm stick to. Time to suffer the corruption again. Just to get to the jungle. What the fuck am I saying? My only problem with like early game Terraria. Everything feels so slow. I just want to kill Eye of Cthulhu just for the shield. Yeah, I need the... I think Feral Claws affects whips. I have no idea though. Hang on. Yeah, I'm back. I just have... Oh my god, my voice. Hang on. There we go. Just had to change a few things. Did I just... I didn't pick Crimson. Oh! Are you freaking kidding me, man? Oh! Holy! Honestly, I think I should have recorded when I was going for the Crimson last episode. I was so pissed the whole time. Freaking devours. Just constantly killing me. I don't even remember what I need for the thorn. Jungle whip, whatever it's called. Couldn't care less. I'll set up a house here. This looks like a nice spot. Or at least a temporary house. I've been actually thinking I might make my house in hell. Hell sounds like a good spot. Oh, my voice. Bro, where's my summons? Come on, I Cthulhu spawn tonight, please. And not me. Come on, man. There's a cave entrance. Nope. What the picture of that is, though. Yep, no Cthulhu tonight. Again. Hey. Holy, how many snatchers are there? I didn't even get anything for killing them. What? No, there's no way. I even get anything. Jungle deals. She jungle me deal all my health. What the fuck? Where? Where? Are we not in the underground yet? Oh, not more slimes. Okay, almost had a mini heart attack. Oh, no weapon. Kill him. Kill him. Oh. Oh my god, I'm not getting anywhere. This is gonna be so bad. What? No way, beehive right here. Oh no. Please. No. Fuck. Little did I know at the time, this was gonna be the first of many deaths I have in the jungle. Oh, my... I'm gonna be here for literally hours. No. Oh god. What the frick? Where'd all my health go? Please, please. Where'd all my torches go? Fuck. What? Whoa. What? How's it? What the fuck? Perfectly fine with hitting them earlier. You're literally flying through the air hitting someone. Why are you running fish? How many vines do I have? I think 3 should be enough. think I just need jungle spore now. No, I'm not touching the jungle slime. Leave him alone. So everyone knows if I touch a twig, I'll die. I'm playing like such a coward. Dude, why's a jungle slime back? Terrified of that jungle slime myself. Hey, get out of here. Honey! It's gonna scam me out all my money. I got the first jungle spore. Are you kidding me? Go, go, go! Ah! I missed it! Oh my god, my inventory's full. Kill him! Kill him! Kill this man. Please. Oh, it's gonna take forever. I keep dying. Whoa. What was that? I thought I saw slime jump down the hole. Oh. Ow. That scared me so bad. She didn't have to die. No, 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 no. No, I have to keep the whoopee cushion. You guys maybe kill that bee like 80 times faster. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh my god, I'm alive. I'm alive somehow. Okay, we just need a few more jungle spores. I think we have everything else we need. There's a heart crystal. Oh. I think we did 15. I think it's... there should be 2 down here. It might be 18. I'll get this one over here just to be safe. Did I hit something? Ah! On. There's a life crystal and I want it. Oh. Are you kidding me? It's a bee right there. Jump him. Get him. Ow! Oh, there's a man-eater down here too. If I die, at least I'm getting this jungle spore. Oh, got it. It is pitch black. It's on damage something and I'm scared. Hopefully it's not another man-eater. Oh, yes, crystal, crystal. Yes! I got the life crystal. Hopefully I search up if I have all the materials for the snapthorn before I destroy my spawn point and teleport all the way back home. Wait, what? No, only 15 stingers? No, I have Cthulhu spawn. Yep, no, I have Cthulhu. They're finally back in the jungle. Time to freaking suffer. Yep, freaking. What, 7 more stingers? Oh, oh my god, I almost fell. I got a bezoar? I got 2 hooks. Garbage. 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 I got a bone sword? I don't even know it was a sword. Okay. You guys gonna do anything? Finally. Alright, we're gonna fight this one out here. I'm just getting everything rare. Oh my god. Oh, I have enough. And there goes my bed. Wow, that's all the way back there. Yeah, I can craft a spawn. Actually, I need those bombs. I should be good against the corruption now. Wait. I always forget something, so I'm not gonna forget it. I lied. I'm definitely gonna. I already forgot it. Why did I put that in there? I don't know. At least has something. Yep. Yeah, that's right. Get out of here. You're not killing me this time. Can I just gotta cut the bed? Go to sleep? And I can fight the eye. Did I just really fucking... No. Not even quite a grappling hook. Yeah, I'm supposed to do that. Time to insert the same Calamity song that every Terraria YouTuber uses. Oops, I not mean to drink all my potions. Here we go. I'm going immediately for all my NPCs. Okay, this guy is so easy. Oh, ow, ow. No, I couldn't hit him. Hit him. I can't speak English at all. Okay, second phase. I think it's actually easier. I think second phase of Cthulhu is easier than the first phase, depending. Yep, easy. Okay, no, I shouldn't say anything yet. I know I suck ass at this game. Yep, easy. Easiest thing ever. Oh, a little eyeball. First trophy down. Yeah, oh, it has menacing too. If you guys enjoyed the video and made it this far, it would really help out a lot if you liked and subscribed. So I'm trying my best to make this, even though I'm not that good at it yet. So, well, thanks for watching. I think that's going to be it for today. Hopefully I'll see you again. Bye. Yep, just under an hour too.